County in south central Florida. South central Harvey County in central Florida. DeSoto County in south central Florida until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Arcadia, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arcadia, Brownsville, and southeast Arcadia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hardy, Florida.
Radio KHB 32, servint de Tampa Bay Area. Ona freqüència 162.55 MHz.
The current time is 9:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flood advisory in effect until 9.
Goofy TBW.